Last week was Father's Day, and my thought went quickly to one of my father's favorite food, palm oil, moi moi, and pap. Today, I'm sharing this recipe with so much love in my heart. Although my father is no longer here, I cherish all the love and sacrifices he made for me. So let's make this recipe. You will need beans, palm oil, bouillon cubes, beef stock, carrots, eggs, liver, shrimps, onions, mixed veggies, pepper, salt, a pizza pan, milk, my golden penny sugar, and millet pap baked with Tigernut milk, filled with fiber. Start by boiling your eggs. Boil and fry the liver and shrimps, then set them aside. Next, peel your beans and rinse. Add your onions, pepper, carrots, and blend them until very smooth like this. I'm sure you're wondering why I blended carrots with my beans. I'm intentional about adding nutrients to my meals in simple ways. Carrots are so good for the eyes and for that glowing skin. Enjoy your carrots as much as you can. Pour your blended beans into a bowl. Mix in your palm oil, salt, bouillon cubes, beef stock, a bit of water, more chopped carrots, mixed veggies, and chopped boiled eggs. Now it's time to layer the moi moi. Surprise! It's a moi moi pizza. I'm adding my own twist on my father's favorite dish. So get your pizza pan and grease it with butter. Now pour in your beans and start to layer it just like a pizza with all your toppings. Sliced boiled egg, liver, shrimps, more carrots and veggies. It's looking so colorful. Put it into a pot, cover and allow it to steam. While waiting for the moi moi, let's make the fiber-filled pap. Heat up your pot and boil some water. Then mix your pap in a bowl with room temperature water. Once your water starts boiling, pour your pap into the boiling water and stir. And it's done. The aroma from the moi moi is so lovely. Let me tell you, every slice is deliciousness. I am adding more milk and a little golden penny sugar for maximum enjoyment. Let me introduce this recipe properly. Palm oil moi moi pizza and millet Tigernut pap is ready. This is so good. I'm not selfish, so please recreate this recipe and let's spread the love. And today, I'm closing by saying, thank you, my father. Your memory lives on. Love you always.